Hi everyone, so today I'll show you how you can set up your own WordPress website or how to install WordPress really quickly. So all you need to do is go to the WordPress website. So I have that open here. So wordpress.org/download. All you got to do is make sure your server has these prerequisites and requirements. So you obviously want PHP, MySQL, or MariaDB. I'm not going to cover MariaDB today, but you can also run it on Apache or Nginx, because they are the most configurable, as you can see here. So they're one of the two big web servers software. So what you're going to do is download it. So I've downloaded it already. Once you've done, close that, and you can see that it's a file here. You're going to open that, and you can see these are all the different kinds of basically the root of the WordPress software. So WordPress is open source. All you have to do now is upload it. So I have FileZilla. So FileZilla is a file transfer protocol software, so you can transfer files back and forth your server. So I set this up. I connected to my server via SFTP, so secure file transfer protocol via SSH, and all you have to do now is upload that. As you can see, I have it here, and what you want to do next is actually just visit your website. So if I just put on a new browser here, all you have to do is type your website. So type your website and then the block behind. So in my case, it's this. As you can see, the root directory and then the directory after, so where you want WordPress to be stored in. So it's /block. So click on that, and once it's loaded, so I did spell something wrongly here, sorry. Once it's loaded, it should bring you to this website, and you can see all you have to do is press let's go, type all this in, and you're done with WordPress installation. So if you got any questions, let me know and I'll help you out. So remember, you do need MySQL and PHP on the web server that you have. So MySQL can be installed separately, but usually people do this with a LAMP stack. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.